Magnist 400T 4000 electro-hydraulic press brake, ESA S840 4+1 axis high configuration. Customized appearance design, reinforced semi-enclosed structure. 3-color signal light and working lights. Engineered heavy-duty frame for maximum rigidity and long-term precision. Stable, precise, efficient. Servo-driven follow-up support system, 180 kilograms per unit. Ensures stable support and assisted handling of heavy sheets. Italy ESA S840 control system, advanced programming for complex bending. Dual DSP laser safety protection, real-time monitoring. Compliant with EUCE standards. While automatic clamping system. Dual-side synchronous clamping, fast tool change and high stability. Greatly improves tool change efficiency, clamping stability, and application flexibility. Brush front support system, prevents surface scratches, ensures stable material support. High repeat positioning accuracy, ensures consistent bending results. Electro-hydraulic synchronization system, Rexroth servo valve plus Fager linear scale plus ESA system. High-precision closed-loop control, ensures RAM synchronization accuracy. Integrated electrical system. Schneider components plus Rexroth valves plus Innovance main servo motor. Stable performance and fast response. High-precision CNC back gauge, stable positioning and repeatability, standard safety guards. Innovance main servo drive, faster response, lower energy consumption. Stainless steel oil tank for durability. Centralized lubrication system, ensures continuous lubrication, extends machine lifespan. High-pressure hydraulic connections, with knock seals to prevent leakage and ensure stable operation. Secondary heat treatment, eliminates internal stress, improves structural accuracy. Reinforced 3-level fingers, higher load capacity, suitable for heavy plates. 4+1 axis control Y1 Y2 plus X plus R plus crowning, ensures bending accuracy and consistency. High wind guides with yick rack system, deliver precise and stable motion, long-term accuracy and durability. Magnist high-end press brake manufacturer. Reliable and precision bending solutions.